Hey there, Bravo here. Let's talk about Bravo's range management, the feature that's about to make your life a whole lot easier. Seriously, it's like having a supercharged sidekick for your existing POS, boosting your business without the need for extra systems. So, what exactly is range management? It's a seamlessly built-in Bravo feature that handles everything from range bookings to firearm rentals, all from your Bravo point of sale. Yeah, you heard that right. No need for multiple systems or extra setups. Whether you're doing retail, rentals, or range time, Bravo's got you covered all in one system. Here's the deal. When you've got Bravo's range management, you can book lanes and manage customers with ease. Pull from existing Bravo customer profiles or create new ones on the spot. How convenient is that? You can handle group rentals effortlessly. Whether it's a family outing or a corporate event, you can manage multiple companies and rentals on a single ticket. Easy and efficient. Rent out your store's firearms without juggling extra tools. Need rentals? Just click add and you're set. And the range management feature will track customer time automatically. No more stopwatches, Bravo handles it for you. Lastly, dedicated reports to gain insights into your daily range activity. Knowledge is power, right? The best part, it's not a standalone product. It's baked right into Bravo. One system for all your retail and range needs. No extra steps, no double work, and definitely no juggling multiple systems. Are you ready to make your range run smoother than ever? Contact our sales team today at 888-407-6287 to get started. Let's make managing your range as easy as hitting that bullseye.